Welcome, in front of me is a XIAOMI Mi 11, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel and look for the power saving toggle, which here it's called battery saver. So once you find it, simply tap on it and this will enable it. Now I'll warn you that when you enable the power saving mode, it does a couple of things that are not really written anywhere, which is disables Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device goes to sleep. And sleep is basically this. So when you lock it up after about a minute or so, it disconnects from it to preserve battery. So if you were hoping for some kind of messages that would require internet connection, things like Facebook, Instagram, and all those applications, you will be waiting for those basically till the moment you actually pick up the phone and unlock it, because that's when the device will reconnect to the Wi-Fi and mobile network. Now, outside of just simply tapping on a toggle, you can do a couple additional things yourself to preserve battery. So number one would be disabling location if you don't need it, turning off things like, where is it? Let me quickly find it. So NFC, there is one, I can disable that. Another one would be Bluetooth if you're not using it, automatic brightness, and just lower the brightness itself. Let's see what else. Dark mode also gives you a little bit of power. Now, going back to the brightness, probably lowering your max brightness will give you yield you the most amount of battery life. So for instance, if you drop it by like half, I believe that gives you several hours in addition. So it's a fairly easy thing to do, yet gives you a fairly decent battery life for virtually doing almost nothing. And if you don't need it to be basically max brightness, you can just lower it and get instant battery life. So that being said, this is how you would enable power saving mode, and also do a couple additional things on top of that to preserve battery. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.